friends, my name is Sarveshwar. In this video, we will discuss how to insert such kind of regression lines, best fit lines in your scatter plot. These lines are very useful when we want to compare different categories of a variable. Suppose we want to analyze different countries in terms of GDP and internet. Suppose there is one line for a country, India, another line is for Pakistan. So you want to compare pictorially what is the difference between their slopes and the intercepts when you compare the regression lines. This kind of analysis is very useful uh, while comparing two or more categories or groups. Okay, friends. So first, let me discuss the data we use here. Here we would be using GDP per capita and internet subscribers per 10,000 for the period 1998 to 2014. For sub-Saharan countries, these are the averages I have reported for 42 sub-Saharan countries. Okay, friends, so let's start. First of all, make a scatter plot. This is a command for scatter plot. This is the command for scatter plot and mention the two variable name internet GDP per capita. Internet is my y variable, sorry, x variable. GDP is my x variable. Sorry, here internet is my x variable and GDP per capita is y axis variable. The title is scatter plot and color is red for the dots. So I regress it. So now it's my simple scatter plot. Okay, friends. Now I want to add best fit line here. So there are two ways for that. First, what should I do? I simply run the regression by using the lm command on of GDP on internet. This is the regression line here, lm GDP and internet. So when I run this line, I get these are the intercept 14 1496.39 1496.39 and 0.45 is my slope. Okay, friends, so I have got intercept and slope of this regression line. So I can add this regression line by using the command ab line. What can I do here? I can use the command ab line and my intercept a is equal to 1496.398 and comma b, the slope is 0.55. Color I am giving blue and width of the line by using lwd command, which is line width is 2. You can increase or decrease by, if you do 3 4 it increases, if you do 1 it decreases. So in this way, when I do this, this is the regression line I have, friends. One another way to do this, that is simpler way in terms of regression, is what I do. I simply use the command ab line and I just put the regression model itself in, and in place of a and b I am putting the regression line itself, so it will take intercept and slope from the regression model itself, and color is green. So if I run it, I see the line color has changed here, friends, this here. So because same line, and this is the one task, how to add AB line or this best fit regression line in the scatter plot. Now what are the usage of it? So first thing, friends, the very useful thing is you can compare, like suppose you want to compare with a different country, uh, you want to compare the different country here that has the same intercept, but it has a different slope that is higher as compared to your country. Color I am giving purple here and width the same. So if I do this, I can see visually for that country. Similarly, for another country that has different intercept but same slope, that this way, and a country that has different intercept and different slope. So suppose I have 7 countries in my sample. So I can make 7 regression line for them and see visually like what is the difference between the intercept and slopes. So it would be very easy for me to compare them. So this is the way, friends, we use AB line command for inserting best fit lines in regression plot, scatter plot. It is very useful. Thank you, friends. Keep watching.